Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We're excited to share that MoniVisor has expanded its compatibility to include MacBook users, making this powerful computer monitoring software available on both Windows and macOS platforms. Now, you can effortlessly gain remote access to someone's MacBook. With MoniVisor, you can easily track internet activity, software usage, keystrokes, and view live screens, all displayed conveniently on its user-friendly dashboard. Let's dive into how to configure MoniVisor on macOS. Before you go, here's a quick update on the installation process. This will only take about 3 to 4 minutes, so please hang tight as we set everything up. The most important thing is to ensure you have the proper permissions to access the target device before proceeding. And don't forget to choose the plan that best fits your needs to get started. Okay. The first step is to download the app on the target MacBook. Enter the URL in the search bar and you'll be redirected to the product download page. Click Download for Mac to access the installer. Navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the file named ClevGuard MoniVisor Installer. Double-click the file to open it. When prompted by a pop-up, simply click Open to proceed with the installation. Next, enter your account information in the fields provided and click Activate. You'll then be prompted to grant permissions. For a smooth experience, make sure to enable the following: screen recording, keyboard activity, and app activity. First, check the recording box and click Open System Settings. In the Privacy and Security section, select MoniVisor and enter your password to confirm. Click Unlock, followed by Later. For the keylogger to function, check the relevant box and follow the same steps again. When you check app activity, simply click OK to apply the permission change. At this point, you're almost done, just one more step to install a plugin for monitoring browser history. To monitor someone's internet history, specifically on Google Chrome, you'll need to install an extension. Here's how to do it. Open the designated folder and locate the file named MoniChrome extension. Then, drag this plugin into your Chrome browser. After that, make sure to disable Developer Mode to complete the process. Finally, click the Next button, and you're all set. Click Verify the setup, and you'll be redirected to the online dashboard where you can monitor browser history, screen time, software usage, real-time screen activity, and keystroke logs remotely. And that's it. The entire download and configuration process was simple, right? That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more guides like this.